Hey, I am Pratham Gupta, the team member of Smart Tech Group. My role in the project is much more diverse, which includes the major chunk of system analysis and design, like building and making sequential class and activity diagrams, and even modifying sprints on the basis of how we have proceeded in the past and even going to do in the future aspect of the project development. It also includes doing the background research in the field in which we have projected our feet, and also doing the project assembly into the major lineup for the base which we have created right now for the future references.
Hello everyone, my name is Vansh Bansal and I am a student of Computer Science Engineering in Bennett University. I am a team member of team number 26, which is Smart Tag, the Smarter Fast Tag. So my contribution in the final sprint, which is the report, is making the project setup, resources and assumptions in the project planning. I also worked on the acceptance criteria and product backlog items.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritvik Gupta, a second year student of Computer Science Engineering at Bennett University. I belong to team number 26, Smart Tag, the fastest Smart Tag for my software engineering project. For this project, my contribution in the final sprint document, that is the project report, was the introduction, problem statement, user stories, and also the background research.
We will be briefly covering the introduction, problem, solution, features, software requirements, project setup and resources, stakeholders, users, user stories including sprint 1 and 2, the use case diagram, activity diagram and sequence diagram, and finally ending up with the feedback and acknowledgement. Digital India Initiative has revolutionized the system of toll collection throughout the national highways by introducing the FASTag. Tolls have become convenient, but still hassles are faced by the users while dealing with parking spots and fuel stations. Therefore, our team has come up with a unique solution to solve all this. SmartTag, the smarter FASTag. SmartTag is a smarter version of the FASTag. Payments for tolls, fuel, and parking will be made through the SmartTag. SmartTag is designed with the minimalistic approach and helps in saving time and money of all the users.
The revolutionary system of toll collection throughout the national highways by FASTags has been great. But we at Team SmartTag think that there is a lot more that could be done with that small chip which could make your travel a lot smarter. As the FASTag system has been made compulsory throughout the country, we have come up with a plan to integrate a lot more features using the same existing RFID tags, making it much smarter. After the implementation of the FASTag, trips through tolls are very convenient, but still, there are hassles being faced by the users with respect to dealing with parking spots and fuel stations. There are still long waiting queues in the fuel stations, be it CNG, petrol, or diesel. Just for the sake of transacting at these spots, we lose a lot of our time and have to tolerate the constant honking happening behind us. To eradicate these problems, we will use technology to its best and have come up with a unique solution called SmartTag. SmartTag is simply a smarter version of the currently existing FASTag. All the payments for tolls, petrol, and parking will be made through the existing RFID FASTag, which will be linked to any of the user's digital payment accounts. The user can manage the same through a mobile application, which will be designed with a minimalistic approach and have a user friendly and sophisticated UI.
Okay, so now here are several problems associated with current technology and existing solutions, which can be solved better through our implications. These problems include waiting in long queues at petrol pumps, mismanagement at parking spots, dealing in cash as staff does not have exact change, no lack of proper records are maintained, and no proper receipts are issued to the customers.
Okay, so now let us talk about the solution for these problems. Smart tag is a better way of paying and transacting at parking spots and petrol pumps, as it eradicates the problem of waiting in long queues and hence save your crucial time. It is an app that simplifies travel and the user can access tolls, fuel stations and parking spots all at a single click.
Here are some of the features of a smart tag. It is a completely radio frequency based identification tag. It eliminates the needs of any manual work. All the transactions conducted through Smart Tag are safe and secure, and digital receipts of all the transactions are issued. There is an automatic deduction of tolls and parking charges, and there is a rate card which can be accessed on the go. Alerts with date and time of all the tolls and parking are sent to the user's application. The Smart Tag is tagged to the user's choice of digital payment mode.
So this was just a brief summary of all the features. Now let me explain it to you in brief detail. So when the users open the application of the Smart Tag, so he will be asked to select among three options. The first one will be the toll, second one will be the parking spots, and the third one will be the fuel stations. If the user click on the fuel station button, he will be asked if he wants petrol, diesel or CNG. Then he would be asked to enter his state so that he can the rate card of the fuel selected. Then the application will ask him to enter the amount required and then he can select his payment mode. Now when the user selects the parking spot button, he will see an option to see the previous receipts or to book a new parking spot. So when the user clicks on the new parking spot button, he is required to enter the area where he wants to park his car and then he can see the rate card of the following area. He will also be prompted to select for how much duration he wants to park his car and then he can continue to the payment button. So now when the user clicks on the toll tag collection button, he also sees two options, whether to see his previous receipts or whether to do a new transaction. So the Smart Tag application will automatically detect the location of the users and will show them the rate card of the following toll. They will also show several discounts if the user returns to the same place back within 24 hours. So now I have discussed all the three options. When the user completes these things, they will be transferred to the payment gateway. So now the user will have option to pay through various methods. The first and the most common method is UPI nowadays. So we will link the UPI of the user to the Smart Tag application and he can do the transaction by entering his 4-digit secure PIN. We will also give the user option to pay through wallets like Paytm, Amazon Pay and Payzap. There will be also several discounts applicable on using these methods. And the last method will be paying through the credit and debit card, but it is a very slow method because every time the user has to enter his details. So we will prefer that the user uses the UPI, and also there is an option to link the customer's bank account. So automatically the deduction will be charged and the payments received will be sent to the person by mail, or he or she can download it on their respective mobiles. So this was all about the features of the Smart Tag application. These are just a few, so we are going to develop more and more features over the time.
Now we will be looking at the software requirements associated with the project, which includes the following aspects: detect the RFIDs and respective Smart Tag users, differentiate between their distinct charges, deduction of the exact amount for the transaction. The interface should be smooth and user friendly, which executes both user and operator commands sequentially, and the app should display the nearby tolls, parking spots, and fuel stations.
So let us now discuss about the project setup and the resources which we are going to use in this project. The first and the most basic resource is the RFID, which is radio frequency identification tag. We will be developing the application using Java as a programming language, and we will be using Android Studio as the application development software. For designing the UI, we will be using Adobe XD, and for repository management, we will be using Git and GitHub. For future uses, we will be developing the application using Flutter, which is a cross-platform application development. And due to this, the users will be able to use the Smart Tag application in Android as well as iOS.
Here are the various stakeholders of a Smart Tag project. First and foremost is Dr. Anurag Goswami as our mentor, and then Dr. Nidhi Chahal as our instructor. Then there are team members Ritvik, Vansh and Pratham.
And now we will be discussing about the roles assigned to each respective user and team. So first, as a developer, I along with Ritvik and Vansh will be developing the application and overall prototype to demonstrate functioning. All of us will be working on the backend side of the app, and the following work will be divided among us. First is making the whole application functional. Second is adding animations and GIFs to make the application attractive. Third is creating different activities and connecting them with each other. And the last is implementing the camera, which takes images and further send for image processing.
So I, along with Ritvik, will be developing the UI of the application. The plan is to develop several prototypes of the UIs and then picking and shortlisting few of them as the final prototype of the UI.
Pratham will be given the responsibility of designing all the images and clip art that will be used in the SmartTag application. I, along with Vansh and Pratham, will be given the responsibility of managing all the social media platforms and regularly update the social connections on various platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram.
So here are the user stories with the sprint one with an ID of 100. So as a vehicle owner, I want to be able to enter vehicle, toll, and fuel details so that I can avail services quickly and avoid the hassle of documentation and argue over the prices. And this sprint is 100% completed.
Now, for the second user story, we will be discussing Sprint 2 with the identification 200. As an admin, I want to track the vehicles passing through the tolls and parking so that I can collect the required fees. This sprint is also 100% completed.
Okay, so here in the use case diagram, as you can see on your screen, we have assigned the roles to user, toll authority, and an admin, so that the smooth functioning of system can be made possible on every layer encountered with. Here, the process to be followed is also mentioned simultaneously to give you the better picture of sustainability. In the activity diagram, we have included the working of the prototype application, which will follow up the processes mentioned through the chart. This has been made possible only in the case of transactions made through the application, strictly adhered to the government rules and regulations and customer privacy policies. In the case of sequence diagram, we have allotted the cases to the documentation considering the application in real life. Here, the whole breach is only about how a customer will be executing the payment task sequentially through the application in the scenario of paying at different spots.
So we went on discussing the idea of SmartTag application with various members. So here is the feedback which we have received.
Finally, we would like to acknowledge Dr. Anurag Goswami and Dr. Nidhi Chahal for guiding, supporting, and helping us in every possible way. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.